If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat not logging in problem, you've come to the right place. So as you can see, everything is working as for me now. I can simply send snaps, chat with my friends, and do some other stuff. So how can you do the same? Because sometimes we can reach some problems while we are logging in. So in order to do it, we simply need to close Snapchat and then open our settings. And on this page here, scroll down. On the Android it may look a little bit different, but here we need to scroll down to find all the apps and then just open Snapchat folder and make sure that background app refresh feature is turned on. So it's really important while we are logging in. Then go back and scroll to the top to find general right up here, and we need to open our iPhone storage. So on the Android, also open your storage folder. And here search for basically a Snapchat. So now we need to click on offload app and then just offload once more. So as you can see, we'll delete app but keep its documents and data. So we need to click on offload and then just reinstall our app on Snapchat. So this is the way of how can we fix. And now go to Snapchat, and as you can see, everything is working. But the last way, we need to go to App Store, click on search, and then just search for Snapchat right up here. And make sure that you have the latest version, because sometimes Snapchat do not support old versions of their app. So you won't be able to log in, you won't be able to work on it, to use it. So it could be one more reason why can't you use a Snapchat. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.